Hi, welcome to the XOAP Tech videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure your FSLogix environment quickly using configuration and application management module. Before we start, for preparation of this demo, I created two things. I created application rule sets for FSLogix and uploaded that rule set to the XOAP. So in configuration management resources, I uploaded these two rule sets, XOAP height folders. And also on my environment, I created one share which will be used for user profile disk locations. To create a configuration for FSLogix, go to the XOAP configuration management, then go to the configurations. Click plus to add new configuration and click create configuration to run configuration wizard. Specify configuration name. You can specify the configuration description. And you can add tags if you want. Okay. So to create a quick configuration, click on the plus, click on the add resources sign, select FSLogix module, select a version, and select XOAP FSLogix Quick Start Configuration resource. Here you need to specify resource display name. You must specify remote desktop users members. For this case, I'm going to use all domain users. You must specify domain. If you're going to use redirection XML folder, specify redirection source folder. And for profile disk location, just specify share, which I mentioned before. When everything is ready, click Save. Okay. Together with this configuration, we want to apply these two rule sets, which I mentioned before. So to do that, I'm going to click Add Resource, select XOAP baseline model, select version, select XOAP resource downloader resource, ensure that this file is present, select the resource which I want to download, define the name of the file on the server when it's downloaded, and add destination path. Destination path should be for FSLogix C, program files, FSLogix apps rules. And I will select overwrite in case that this file exists to download the newest one. When everything is ready, just click Save. We will do the same for another file. So the destination path is the same. It's going to be present. This time this is going to be FXA file. Destination file name is going to be XOAP. And I will select Allow Overwrite. When everything is created, I'll click Save. And that's all. That's the whole configurations which we need. In case that you do not need some special rules, you do not need to do these 2 steps. When everything is ready, just click Save. And set this as active. Save. Okay, now configuration is saved and configuration should be visible on your configuration management table. So let's create the group. Okay, we provided group name. We are going to provide configuration, select the version, decide which policy is going to be used, and we are going to use FSLogix extension application role. To apply this configuration and group to the node, I'm going to select this XOAP VS01 and click plus to add it to the group. In case, and when everything is ready, just click Save. In case that your node is not registered on the XOAP, you can find your created group, click on the action menu and download PS1 file. Once downloaded, copy this file on machine and just run it in your PowerShell as administrator. This is going to register to the node, to the your XOAP account and add the node to the group. Okay, now let's wait a few minutes before this configuration is applied, and then I'm going to show you configuration directly on my server. So FSLogix configuration is now applied on our WS02 server. As you can see, the server is in compliant state, and to check all resources which are applied, click on the action menu and click on the details. Go to the PowerShell DSC and go to the resource states. Here you can find all resources which are applied on this server. In applications, you can see that Microsoft FSLogix apps is installed. Also, what we applied is a FSLogix rule set, which actually hides C Office documents for all users except administrator. So to show you the difference, first I logged in on the server as administrator. As you can see. And if I go to the local disk C, in the root of C, I can see the Office Documents folder. Then I log in on the same server as different user, my personal one. And if I go to the local disk C, you can see that I cannot see Office Documents folder. So Office Documents folder is unavailable for me. So this rule set actually works. Also, if you remember well, in our configuration, we configure share share location for our profile disks. So if we go to the that share locations, so it's XOAP DC01 profile disk share, you can find your profile disk here. To check all other settings which we configured with this FSLogix Quick Start configuration resource, you can go on Registry in the local machine, Software, FSLogix Profiles, and here you can find all settings which we applied. Yeah, and that's all. That's the way how you can quickly configure FSLogix on your server. And for the end, what is probably the best thing is how easily you can configure or add this configuration to all other servers on which you need it. So on all other session hosts, VDI servers or whatever. Only thing what you need to do is go to the groups, find your group, go to the action menu and click Edit. Find on all available nodes, find the nodes which you want to add to the group and click plus. Now this node is in the group, you just need to click Save. And that's all. This application in a few minutes will be applied on your machine. If your machine is still not in the XOAP, the process is also simple. Find FSLogix, click Action menu, download PS1 file and apply it, copy it on your server and run it. And that's all. All your session hosts will be equally configured. Thank you all for watching and check our other videos. Bye.